Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download and install Firefox browser on your Nothing Phone 1. So in order to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. Click on the search bar, enter Firefox, hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app. From here we can customize it, so you can pick a theme, change toolbar placement, switch always on privacy settings, sign up to synchronize Firefox between other devices, read the privacy notice, and when everything is done, click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.